Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and then you can press the side button again to open the menu. After you open the menu, scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen, find the alarm icon that looks like this, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here we can set the alarm clock by tapping on Add Alarm. Now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on hours, then minutes, and once you set the time, tap on Next, and here we can select the days on which the alarm will repeat. So basically, if you select Monday and Tuesday, for example, the alarm will repeat every Monday and Tuesday. If you select none of the days, basically leave every day unchecked, the alarm will go off only once and it won't repeat. So check the boxes if you like to, and then tap on OK. And here we have our alarm. We have the alarm that will go off at 3:30 p.m. and it will repeat every Monday and Tuesday. You can turn it on or off by tapping on the switch. You can tap on it to edit the alarm. You can change the time and the repeat option. And you can also have multiple alarms if you want to by tapping on the plus button like this. And last thing you can do is to remove the alarm. So you can tap on one, tapping on delete like this. Okay, and that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.